Hey, welcome. If you've landed here, you're probably someone who's been curious about building things with AI, but wasn't sure where to begin. You're in exactly the right place. This is Play First Programming, a clubhouse for curious people who want to build software with AI just for the fun of it. No experience required, no pressure, just play. For most of computing history, building software meant months of study before you could make anything real. You memorized syntax. You completed exercises. Your own ideas? They had to wait. Then AI arrived and changed everything. Suddenly, anyone could describe an idea in plain English and watch it come to life in minutes. The barrier between imagination and creation nearly vanished. Play-first programming is built around that shift. Instead of learning before you build first and learn as you go. Software is a toy before it's a tool, and curiosity is the only qualification you need. Let me tell you how this all started. About 6 months ago, the founder of this site, Greg, started using AI at work for small tasks. Proofreading emails, summarizing meeting notes. He works with VoIP phone systems, and he found a surprisingly useful trick, feeding network data into an AI to spot patterns in misbehaving phone systems. Then curiosity took over. He started asking AI to write code. First HTML, then Python, then C#. Small experiments, little tools, things he wouldn't have bothered building if they required hours of setup. But now he could make them in minutes, and he loved it. He went looking for a community and found a culture war. On one side, people monetizing AI apps. On the other, developers tearing them apart. He didn't fit either camp. He wasn't in it for the money. He was in it for the fun. So he built his own space instead. A place for people who learn by playing. Nothing too serious, just curiosity leading the way. As Greg puts it, I'm not the guy spraying graffiti on the wall. I'm just the guy having fun learning how to hold the paintbrush. Play First Programming runs on 5 simple ideas. 1. Play comes first. Start with a feeling, not a feature list. Curiosity before planning, always. 2. Anyone can play. If you can describe what you want in plain English, you can begin. No credentials required. 3. Learning is the reward. The moment you ask, how does that work? You've already started learning. 4. Mistakes are discoveries. Unexpected outcomes aren't failures. They're information. Many great ideas begin as accidents. 5. Fun is the finish line. No deadlines, no clients, no pressure. Success is making something real that you're proud of. That's the whole philosophy. 5 tenets, 0 gatekeeping. So what do you actually need to get started? A free AI tool, Claude, ChatGPT, or DeepSeek all work, and all have free tiers. No credit card needed. A browser or free software, HTML, runs instantly in any browser. Python uses Ideal. C# uses Visual Studio Community. Everything is free, and curiosity, which, if you're still watching, you clearly already have. Here's all you need to do right now. Open your favorite AI tool. Paste in this prompt, "I've never coded before. Help me build something playful, maybe drifting stars or a bouncing ball." Explain it simply as we go. That's it. 5 minutes. No account needed. No setup. Just hit send and see what happens. When you're ready to go deeper, head to the lesson section at playfirstprogramming.com and follow the Play First loop from there. This isn't a course. It's not a boot camp. It's a playground. And the only thing standing between you and your first experiment is pressing play.